Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing a quite frustrating, but really interesting experiment. I tried to build the lightest Windows 11 ever, and it completely failed. It started when I discovered what seemed like the true, hidden Windows 11 Lite version, Validation OS. When I learned this was the ultimate bare-bones Windows 11 setup, even more stripped down than IoT LTSC, and that OEM manufacturers use it to test computers on the factory floor, I had an idea. I want to build the ultimate minimalist benchmark OS, without doing much further research. Well, as you'll see, that was a stupid idea. First red flag. The ISO wasn't directly bootable. I needed a fast way to test it, and the most straightforward method was to build a custom boot drive. I copied the validation.vim file, renamed it to boot.vim, and injected it into a standard Windows 11 ISO to run it as a live setup. I bypassed the massive file size problem by deleting everything in the sources folder except for our new boot file. This kept the entire bootable ISO under 300 megabytes, which is crazy. My plan was to plug in an external hard drive loaded with portable benchmark tools. But here was the first big surprise. This OS doesn't even have plug-and-play support out of the box. It requires driver injection just to detect a basic USB drive. You might say, not a problem, just inject your tool folder directly into the WM file. No, out of the box, this environment lacks the graphical and Win32 dependencies required to launch standard apps. Copying System 32 DLLs won't fix it. Even Notepad won't open. There's no disk part. No standard utilities. No Explorer. No apps. Not even WISM. It's not a full OS. It's a minimal pre-installation environment built on the Windows kernel. So what is the point of it? For manufacturers, it's perfect. They can use Microsoft's builder tools to inject proprietary drivers, control exactly what the environment does, and run fully automated hardware tests on the assembly line. But for the rest of us, without a heavy time and resource investment, it's a dead end. What I thought was a lightweight Windows is actually a system designed to remove the user from the process entirely. Unless you're doing some very basic command line hardware queries, like you see on screen now, a custom WinPE setup makes way more sense. WinPE is still based on the Windows kernel, but it actually has the foundational tools to get the job done with much less effort, especially if you use the Windows ADK. WinPE gives you control, while Validation OS removes it. So, what do you think about the ultimate minimalist Windows 11 setup? Everyone says they want total control over a debloated OS. But does an experiment like this remind us how useful some of the built-in features we take for granted actually are? This is the kind of Windows experiment you don't see every day. Let me know in the comments if you'd ever mess with something this bare bones, or if Windows 11 IoT LTSC is the true sweet spot between usefulness and minimalism.